At Wellingtons, we love this Bosch fridge freezer. 60 centimetres wide, has a 5-year warranty on registration, a large salad crisper at the bottom, and the fridge in here works on a blown air system, so it will always maintain an accurate temperature, and you don't have to worry about foodstuffs touching the back wall and freezing as you do on a blown air, on a wet back product. In the freezer, totally frost free. What I like a lot is this big drawer. It allows you to store larger items, but you still get the ability to divide into the top drawer and then the slightly shallower bottom drawer. It's a superb product, available in white only, but we love this product.